One activity we're going to learn today to help with reading fluency is called a sentence pyramid. A sentence pyramid helps support students show fluency when they read, which is something that is usually really hard for children to do. So for example, instead of reading a sentence like, the cat is in a bed, we want students to practice scooping up the words together to help support them while they read. So for example, they would read the sentence, the cat is in a bed. Today we're going to show you how you can practice this skill at home with your child using a sentence pyramid. All you'll need for this are Post-its and something to write with. So you will have your child first write all the words that they'll need for this sentence pyramid. For this sentence pyramid, they'll write the word the, cat is in a and bed as an example. Sentences could be as long, as short as you need to make it. And also remember to include the sight words your child has already learned, or if they are learning CVC words, that'd be a good time to do it. So remember that these are skills that your child is already familiar with or has already been learning. So I'll show you here how to do a sentence pyramid. You can do this on your refrigerator, an empty wall in your room. You can, in your house, you can make it a game. So first you start with the first Post-it that your child has written down, and they will write, you will post it here, and your child will read the word, the. After that, you will add 2 Post-its, and your child will read both the words, the cat. And your child will read the cat. After that, you will add 3 Post-its. The cat is. And your child will read that. The cat is. Then you will go on to adding the next word. The, and then have your child read each word as they add the Post-it. Cat is in. You'll do it again for the next step, where your child will add the next word to this. The cat. This is great for practice in terms of reading the same words. It's also great for finding the words they're writing and for writing the words. The cat is in A. And then your child will read the cat is in A, and they get used to the fluency as they continue to build it. So then they write again, the final sentence, the cat is a bed. And at this point, they should also be able to read it fluently and scoop it. The cat is in a bed. With all the practice, by the time they get to this, they should be able to read it nice and fluent. So we hope you have fun practicing at home. There are lots of different ways you can do this with short sentences, long sentences. You can find the words on the wall and add it. And we hope you enjoy making some sentence pyramids at home with your child.